Welcome back. The Cross River State Governor Bassey Otu has launched the distribution of subsidized mini tractors to farmers cooperatives across Cross River State, marking a major step in his People First agricultural transformation agenda. The initiative aims to promote full-scale mechanization, boost productivity, and empower rural communities. Speaking shortly after the flag-off, Governor Otu described the tractors as fuel-efficient, terrain adaptable and multifunctional, built to ease land preparation, cut labor costs and increase yields. He said 108 units are being rolled out in the first phase, with a total of 324 expected statewide.
Farmers' associations in Cross River State gather at the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation Development headquarters in Calabar, the state capital, for the official flag-off ceremony of tractors to aid their productivity.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
108 units of mini tractors are being deployed in the first phase of a total of 324 units to be distributed statewide. This intervention is expected to directly address the challenge of land preparations, which accounts for over 70% of cultivation costs.
This challenge has long hindered our farmers from scaling up and moving beyond subsistence, and we are not ignorant of this fact. To address it, we made a decision to invest in mini tractors that are robust, fuel efficient, and most importantly, adaptable to our unique terrain. These tractors are designed to make farming easier and more profitable for smallholders while reducing production costs and labor intensity.
The tractors are fuel efficient and adaptable to various terrains, marking a major step towards full-scale mechanization and rural empowerment.
This community-based service model will strengthen our local agri-food systems, improve productivity, and stimulate rural economies. Your Excellency, this scheme complements the remarkable feats in the agri sector, including the ongoing efforts to transform our food systems and organize agricultural value chains into structured commodity groups for the sustainability of all our interventions.
The tractor distribution program is expected to create jobs and position Cross River State as a leading hub for agricultural transformation, contributing to sustainable local food production and global food security.
Over to Delta.